Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur objects in CapCut. So I'm sure you guys already have your footage ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to pixels.com here, and this is kind of my go-to place for free stock footage. So I'm just going to pick any video. Let's just go with this one here. Okay, so it's downloaded. Go ahead and open up CapCut. We're going to start a new project. And you can either import the video by clicking here, or on Macs, just go to Finder, go to, I normally save everything to downloads, and then just transfer everything over. So we got our clip here, and we want to bring this clip, either drag it or click this blue plus icon to bring the clip down to the timeline. And what we want to do is copy and paste the same footage right on top. So make sure it's lined up correctly. And then we want to go to the right hand side of the screen where it says mask. And this just gives us different options of the blur. So since we're doing license plates, I'm going to pick rectangle. If you're going to do faces, I'd probably recommend circle. And it works the same way. So just click rectangle. That's going to put it on the top video on your timeline. And we're just going to adjust this, of the shape of what we're trying to blur. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, now next step, we're going to go up to on the left hand side of the screen where it says effects. Click on effects, and as of today's upload date, the blur option is under lenses. And then you can either type out blur here, or we can just scroll down. Since I know where it is, it's not that far down, it's right here. And we're going to hit this. Actually, let's just drag it. I'm going to drag it on top of the top video. All right. And as you can see from the video, it is blurred. I'm just going to make that a little bit longer. All right. Now it's blurred. Okay, so I wanted to adjust the strength of the blur and it disappeared. So I'm going to go back to basic. I'm going to click on this blur under effects. And then I'm going to make it 100% here. All right, and that's pretty much it. Okay, now that's done. Now if I wanted to blur the Lamborghini here's license plate, I would just to make it really quick, I would just copy and paste the top video right above, and then slide this right over to the red one. Now we have two that are blurred. That is really the easiest way that I've found to blur out objects in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see another video about something else, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.